Upgrade for free.
There we go. Hello, room service. Yes, please. 10 minutes. That's fine. I can wait. Lots of nice fridge. Ooh. Moving the...
Idiot.
Travel, tour, taste.
Okay guys, well, as you know, we're doing a video on the whole resort, Garden of Eden. And we've just, as we've been filming, we've just spoken to the hotel manager. And what he's very kindly decided to do is for the second part of our stay, the second week, he's going to put us in another different room. So I'll just give you a quick tour of this one. Please excuse the mess. Obviously we've lived in here now for 7 days. So you've got your TV. It is fairly basic, this one. You've got the telephone at the side of the bed. You've got a big queen size bed, which is awesome. Little table, plenty of storage. Plenty of storage there as well underneath the TV. And you can actually get more people in because this folds out into a bed as well. It is quite comfortable. I fell asleep in the corner there one night, like that. And obviously in the kitchen, it's all built into one. In the kitchen, you have what you really need. You've got your oven and you've got plenty of storage space. There's a little fridge underneath, obviously full of rubbish, no beer, lots of Coca-Cola, lots of water, and yeah, plenty of storage space. What more can you say about a little apartment? It's not little, it's actually quite big. You know, it really is spacious. So like I said, please excuse the mess. And then when we move to another one, we'll do a video on that. Hopefully it won't be as messy. Maybe I should do it when we move in there this morning, as opposed to after we've been in there a few days and totally trashed the place. So, this is our room for the first week. Let's go to the new one.
Upgrade for free.
Oh yeah, and we got upgraded for free.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you.
So guys, after a little chat with the hotel manager, like I just said, we've just moved from the other room to this one. You've already seen this one without all of our stuff, but I'll give you a little quick further guided tour because I'm so excited, so excited. Awesome, awesome storage, woohoo! Lots of nice fridge. Ooh. Moving the...
Idiot.
Idiot alert. Oops. Better put the fridge back where it was, haven't I? Awesome. Look at this. Yes. Oh, there we go. We've got cooking utensils, all that. Yep. Oh, that's an extractor fan for the thing. Yep, storage. Lovely. Good. Lots of. Okay, follow me through. And here's the bathroom. I could have a disco. I could swing a cat. Woo! Loads of room. Look. Even though I've got little legs, doesn't matter. Oh, Sarah's in the way. And this is the bedroom. It's only tiny, but hey, I'm only tiny. We've got our drawers, which is good. Boo. Oh, what's that? Boo. Turn the aircon on and off in the bedroom. Marvellous. Yeah, that's nice. And over here we have Puffy. Put my makeup on, get my face done, ready for the day. Do I look good yet? Anyway, when we get to play hide and seek, don't tell Sarah, but I can hide in the wardrobe. We've got hangers, hairdryer. Just have to do my hair every morning as well, you know, hairdryer. You know, either that or Nip salon. Yep, that's all very nice. Mirrors, do I look presentable? Yep, awesome. Let's go. Boom. Round here.
Little firecracker.
Move this out of the way. Oh, we've got plugs, we've got sockets, we've got breakfast bar. I'm going to need a ladder to get onto that because it's so high. Put all our bits and camera and all the rest of it. And of course, a glass of shelving again for the camera. There we go. Hello, room service. Yes, please. 10 minutes. That's fine. I can wait. Wi-Fi, a TV, more storage, and a beautiful settee. Look at that. Ah, it's bigger than I am. I think I'm going to sleep here tonight. Look at that. Don't show my fat belly. Follow me outside. And this is a much better balcony as well. Like I said, it's a little bit of upgrade, free of charge. We're overlooking the pool this time. Before we were overlooking the sea. This time it's the pool. Furniture. Walk this way, and this is where we go to the pool. See how close we are to the pool? 1, 2, 3, and we jump in. Awesome. That's not too bad, it's actually quite nice. So this is the apartment for the second week. And the sun's come out as well. Thank you, Jesus. Woo. So yeah, we can leave the door open, let the bugs in, and come back in, and we can take off our bikinis and short. You know what I mean. Is that what we're called? No, men wear trunks. That's what I'm talking about. So this is the new apartment. There you go.
Upgrade for free.
There we go. Hello, room service. Yes, please. 10 minutes. That's fine. I can wait. Lots of nice fridge. Oh, moving the.
Idiot.
Travel total.